going, guys? Today I'm gonna be showing you what's the cheapest loadout 3-cat spammers loadout. Okay, so these are the weapons. There's gonna be more. So yeah, this is the cheapest 3-cat spammer loadout or low level. Okay, I'm gonna demonstrate here. So you can't really rocket jump since when you rocket jump you'll take a lot of damage. But I do recommend upgrading this to the full level since this thing's really good. And putting high modules on it. Let's get on to the next set. So this is the next one. You can rocket jump with this one. If you only have the last hope and executor. Okay, so let me demonstrate again. So yeah, here's another version of it. Okay. So yeah. Okay, let's get to number 3. Okay. So this is just my own opinion. If you have another because loadout, just say to me. So this is just my opinion, guys. Only low levels, okay? This is for only low levels, not high levels. Only for level 20s. Okay, just pretend the spender is the trick or treat. You can also buy the spender or the trick or treat. It's up to your choice. I recommend the trick or treat since you have to unlock this to a higher level. So yeah, wait, let me cut. So it goes like this. You're gonna have to practice your aim with this loadout since it's gonna be probably hard to aim. But I do recommend it. Let's get to the next one. So if you only have the wizard one, okay? Okay, it's really recommended. I really like this loadout. It's one of my favorites. So yeah, I hope you pick this one actually. Let's get to the last one. So this is the last one. Okay, it goes like that. So I hope you enjoyed this video here. Like and subscribe. Okay, bye. I hope you found this video helpful. Okay, bye now.